I'm back. Just wanted to show you a few things that I have as far as supplies for working on my car battery. These are not rubber gloves. They have more expensive ones that you can find at the auto parts store, but these will probably just keep my hands from getting dirty, so I'm going to be extra careful. You can get electrocuted doing this, so basically the rule of thumb is to remove the negative first, which is the black one, and then the positive. And when you reconnect it, negative is last. So take it off first, put it back on last. And you want to remember that if you ever have to jump start your car or change your battery, or it's just good to know. So negative comes off first and negative goes back on last. Here is what I have to get started. Battery cleaner. This is a spray, and I also have a battery brush, and inside it's got all these little wire things that'll get all the corrosion off. So I've got a socket set, my very first socket set, which is, good to have if you're a homeowner, or if you are a car owner, or any kind of do-it-yourselfer. Just a very simple. This was a cheap set, so I'm not doing anything complicated. I think it'll work. These are the new battery cables that I found. It looks like everything is already put together on there. I watched some YouTube videos that you had to strip the cable and put the connector back on there, and this is all in one piece. And the auto parts store that I ordered it from, you could type in what kind of car, what model, what year, and it would tell you exactly which one you needed. That we hope is correct. Negative, positive. The red one you have to be very careful with. I think I'm going to start by just replacing the negative one and see if that fixes the problem. So here we go. Always have a backup plan. Let people know what you're doing. It's better to have somebody here with you, just to call 911 if you do get electrocuted, so I'm going to try really hard not to do that. And hopefully videotaping this, I'll be extra cautious so I don't electrocute myself on camera. And I've also looked up the taxi cab phone number, so if I don't fix this before it's time to pick up my son from daycare, I'll be able to go get him. But I don't think I'm going to have to do that. I think this is going to work, and I think it's going to be a quick job. So I'm ready to get started.